The Ninth and Tenth Amendment are very vague amendments. I believe they are that way so they could be adapted to change with the times and to be changed for different situations. The Ninth Amendment is very vague in stating our fundamental rights not listed in the Bill of Rights. It states that we have an unenumerated or undetermined number of our fundamental rights. In the courts, it is to their discretion what rights the amendment does or does not protect. The 10th Amendment was added to the Bill of Rights to keep the power balance between the federal government and the states. This amendment puts restrictions on the federal government's powers, and whatever powers that aren't listed are left to the state. The amendment, however, is vague because it is not clear on what those powers are. The Ninth Amendment has a long history and was used throughout different cases in the past, such as the Roe v. Wade case, in which the amendment was used to reject a Texas law that outlaws abortion because it restricts the right to privacy. The 10th Amendment was also used in a lot of cases throughout U.S. history too, such as in the Hammer v. Dagenhart case or the child labor case. A federal law seeks to end child labor by prohibiting the interstate shipment of goods that child laborers had produced. In this case, the court found that under the 10th Amendment, it's the state's right to decide how to regulate the use of child labor in manufacturing. In conclusion, the 9th and 10th Amendment are very vague because they do not state what exactly the rights or powers are, and they both leave room for interpretation by the courts.